How to install insulation below a floor screed. Concrete slabs should be allowed to dry out prior to the installation of the insulation boards. The surface of the slab should be smooth, flat and free from projections. Beam and block floors should be level and grouted. Rough cast slabs should be levelled using a thin sand blinding. An appropriate damp-proof membrane should be laid with joints well lapped and folded prior to laying the insulation boards. The membrane should be brought up the surrounding foundation walls until it is sufficiently high enough to connect with or form the wall damp-proof cores. A strip of appropriate insulation should be placed vertically around the perimeter of the room in order to prevent cold bridging. The top should be level with the top of the floor screed. The bottom should be level with the bottom of the horizontal floor insulation. The insulation boards should always be loose-laid brake bonded, with joints slightly butted. If an additional layer of insulation is needed, it should be horizontally offset so that the board joints in the adjacent layers do not coincide with each other. Insulation boards should be overlaid with a suitable polythene sheet to act as a vapour control layer. Ensure the polythene sheet has 150 mm overlaps taped at the joints and is turned up 100 mm at the walls. Finish with a sand and cement screed laid to a minimum thickness.